Want to add the day of the week to the system tray clock? Here we have shown how to do it. This is the Windows Club. Search for and open Control Panel and then select Region Settings. Now, from the Region window, select Additional Settings. Next, choose the Date tab. Under Short Date, add DDD in the beginning. That is, make the short date as DDD-DD-MM-YY. In this case, only 3 alphabets will be displayed. If you prefer the full day displayed, then use DDDD-DD-MM-YY. Using a comma instead of a hyphen will make a comma display. Try and see if DDD, DD-MM-YY suits you. Put the day after the date by adding DD-MM-YY, DDD if you wish. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.